Today is the third day of our English speaking 30 days challenge, right? You are excited, I know. And as we have completed discussing about tenses, articles and parts of speech that you need to know, this is the only basic knowledge. Please keep it in mind. These are not the only things that you need to learn. English is an ocean. Okay, what you have learned yesterday and day before yesterday is just a drop in the ocean. So let us continue. What are the basic vocabulary that you need to know? So in order to speak English at the initial stages, you need to know minimum basic words. In one of my videos, I have mentioned about the most commonly used words in English. Okay, you can check out that video also. And in this video, we are going to learn the basic vocabulary. We shall divide the basic vocabulary into 4 stages. That is, you need to learn at least the basic greetings. Okay, next the basic questions, basic responses, and everyday used English phrases that are most important to converse. Okay, that are most important for conversation. So without any delay, let's get started. Hi, namaste, welcome back to Learn with Gowthami channel. I am Gowthami. First of all, getting into the first thing, that is greetings. You know greetings, right? How you greet someone. Good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon, hi, hello, hi there, how's it going, what's up? And one more basic greeting is that howdy. Howdy is also a greeting. Okay. Next, coming to the second stage, that is how to ask basic questions. What is your name? How are you? How old are you? What do you do for a living? Where are you from? Are you married? Do you have any children? What are your hobbies? What kind of music do you like? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite dish? Or what is your favorite food? Like these are the minimum basic questions that you need to know, because in order to start any conversation, first of all, you are going to ask them how are you, right? And in order to start a conversation with a stranger, you will definitely ask their likes and dislikes. So these are the basic questions that you need to know. Now, if you are asked these basic questions, then you need to respond to them, right? So now let us see some of the basic responses that you need to learn. My name is Gowthami. I am 27 years old. I am good. I am fine. Or you can also say not bad. I am from India. I work in an agricultural sector. I am married. I am a mother of 5 months old baby girl. I like all kinds of music. My favorite food is vegetable biryani. My favorite color is green. So in this way, you need to learn some of the minimum basic responses. Okay. Now, last but not the least, now we are going to see some of the phrases that are used in daily conversation. The first phrase is nice to meet you. It is a very basic and a simple phrase. It is used when you meet someone for the first time. It is generally used as an icebreaker in order to start the conversation in a very nice way. Nice to meet you. How have you been? It is also a very basic phrase that you can use it when you want to know the well-being of the other person. It is used when you haven't seen that person for a long time and you want to catch up with that person. How have you been? What have you been up to? It is also a phrase similar to the previous one, but in this case you are particularly asking about the person's activity that he has done lately. I mean in the recent times. Okay? It's a great way to start a conversation and ask about the person's recent activities. What have you been up to? How's your day? It is a very basic simple phrase. It is used to ask how others' day is going. Okay, it's a very good way to start a conversation and let the other person know that you are interested to know about their day. Okay, what's new? It is also another very basic and simple phrase. It is used to ask the other person what is happening in their life. Is there anything interesting happening in their life? Okay. If you want to ask about specific activities that are specifically happening, anything interesting in their life, then you can use this phrase. What's new? How's your work? How's your school? It means to ask someone about their schooling or work. Okay. It is just a casual phrase used to ask about how is it going in their school or how is it going at their work. Okay, these are the 5 or 6 phrases I mentioned, I think so. These are only some phrases. There are a lot more to learn in order to get grip upon the language. So my advice is that it is useful to you if you use at least one phrase a day. That is the reason I am doing at least one phrase of idiom per day in shorts. If you did not check that, please check the playlist Learn English Phrases and Idioms in English. Okay. So this is all I wanted to tell you in this video, and meet you soon in tomorrow's video. Please don't get demotivated. Please continue this challenge of 30 days. I hope you started speaking and speak. That is what I can say, speak. Okay. Thank you for joining me till the end. If you like the work that I am doing, please consider subscribing the channel. Share it to your friends and family members who just started their journey of speaking English, and please click the like button.